I believe that. Guys, my name is Dr. Chill. Please just take this pill. Dear God. Love you too.
Indulge me for a moment. Number 152 would like me to relay a message. Waiting to be looking around and stuff. How are you feeling, Tom Hardy? Okay. 152 would like to say 161. First of all, fuck you. Second of all, thank you for making it in time. I am grateful for that reason. Thanks, Megan. It would be very remiss of you not to do that. That is the end of 152's message. If there's anything else that needs to be said, then say. What else?
I don't know.
Can I have a question?
Yes.
Why did you pick option 3? I don't feel like your answer is real.
That was a real answer. I look at situations logically. Unfortunately, my answer goes into that.
I don't think that's fair. That's here in the basement right now. 152 has one other message. He asked me to sum up what's going on in the car right now.
Silence.
And he just wants to say the 169 has no fucking room to talk, because if he hadn't opened his mouth in the first place, he wouldn't have been in his position.
Seems to be the most logical reason. 170. Did you see the options for 130?
I did.
In your medical expertise, did you think that my answer was logical?
Yes.
Thank you. I apologize your family was involved in option 3, but I have also seen families lose loved ones. And I've seen people just agree with the most logical.
I don't take it personally. It's just the fact that I have a younger sister that I cherish more than anything in my fucking life. And the fact that it fucking died just was not to me.
Everyone tries to sacrifice themselves in situations like this, situations of torture, and they don't realize it until it does happen. And I just can't.
What happened? Very good. Okay, I'm still kicking.
Yes.
Yeah.
Chicken out, but I think we all are. I'll accept double zero on here. He's MIA. Where's what is Marty up to right now?
Apparently around very bad internet connection.
He needs to get some Wi-Fi. Yeah, there you go. There's a fuck yet. There's a measure of that. Take a measure of comfort in that 140. No matter how bad things get, at least you're not Marty.
Rest.
I know about it. You know about it.
It's finishing soon. You got it. Where?
Whoa.
Well, reading or talking at what? Picture bridge.
Forward.
Lean forward. Let's put your head back. Get back so
You prefer it to take for about 10 minutes.
Oh, spooky.
157. Are you okay?
Yeah, dude, you're gonna be all right.
Sound like he's alright. Are you okay? 157.
Did you say something? Can you hear us? Stay with us, man. Can't hear anything.
Fucking good.
You? What is it you?
Oh shit.
Um,
I don't know what to do, but I can't get out of here.
oh,
I'm 70. This is out of my jurisdiction.
Mom, just get a few more minutes.
Oh, yeah, sometimes. Well, something. It's
Yep. Not only that, if his eardrum was ruptured, wouldn't he be hearing a ringing instead? Yeah, so he just said he couldn't hear anything, meaning that's most likely not the case.
102, any ideas?
Oh. Don't worry, I'm recording all this. Just a little bit after the call started, like maybe 2 minutes, yeah. I think I got all of 169's speech as well. Yeah, so I've been recording for a while.
That's also true. Some patients will say they hear nothing.
Okay, so ruptured eardrums just... So that's the top theory right now. Yeah, I'm fairly certain no explosions.
I mean, the other option for the ear canal that
Well, I mean, he just sounded like he had smoker's lungs. Oh, it's getting brighter. Oh. Okay, so, there's a lot of changing in lighting and more, static noise than usual. I think that's a reference to the earlier thing. Everybody was playing Pop Goes the Weasel with Marty. Ding Dong Ditch was with Stick in the Mud. Oh, well, it just went out entirely. I got a pretty big screen, and I can tell you it's definitely more than usual, at least. What one? Yep. Yeah, did.
Did anyone hear any other noises?
It sounded like something else was just before it, but... That's not. That is not symptoms of Snoopy. No, that is. You're welcome.
Anything about memory loss. Not that I know of.
No.
No, I could probably check the chat real quick. Okay.
Yeah, that and I think you said it was on
Okay. Yeah, that's not.
or 128. That I don't know.
Yeah, 123. He's been sparse lately.
Symptoms, I feel like 157 is a lot more fast than 128.
Probably from not drinking more or trying to catch on more.
157 is super traffic.
Exactly.
Is that any correlation?
Yes.
Probably.
That, 123, I mean, nothing much happened, but as soon as 157 gets a package, less sleep, just, sore throat, coughing, bleeding orifices, this is...
Package, again, had just this one last month.
Oh, thank God, I'm not the only person that had the call go silent.
again.
Yes, we can hear you.
We were sitting on the last leg of 17th century building in the late afternoon of the old day, and the old building going off, speculating about the unknown. It was the water kind of willow trip, nearly engulfed the ancient religion of life. I made a confession of heart like a sexual unmentionable version, with the mortal roots of the slipping from the hoary and the low. My friend tried to move to push myself before we had no explanation.
169, that was beautiful. You moved me with your words.
God, I needed that so badly. Oh man. That's so cool. Happening, isn't it? What is happening? Oh, buddy. Yeah, very, very, very confused. I can't even. I don't think it really hit me.
Never hits people until it's really personal to them.
No, I'm gonna admit it does.
Yeah, you know, it's not really a problem. It's just sort of human nature. As long as you know, somebody can be firing off a gun, but as long as it's not happening in your backyard, it's perfectly fine. Yeah. A 169, you got them calves of steel. You can run anywhere.
Better to wake up somewhere else and will I be able to go to sleep?
My question isn't if I'm gonna be in my bed. If my bed's gonna be in my room.
Man, if you're... Good night.
Thank you.
You're a kind but cruel god. Yeah. Also a bit of a fuck.